husband is here. Okay, so they are engaged now. In the beginning years, it was just us hanging out, you know, having a good time. Is that for me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Let me check out your castle here. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today is the 4th of July and I am home. I don't know why the color looks super yellow right now. I don't know, I was trying to fix it. The white balance is off or something, but I know you guys don't care about that because I am finally posting a vlog, guys. I know it's been a while and honestly, I have so much footage. Like I've tried to vlog so many times these past few months. Like I have so many clips and I will put it at the end of the video if you guys want to see those. So this may be a very long video, but that's perfectly fine because I've been gone for way too long. I just haven't gotten like a vlog where it's like an actual good footage. By the way, I have so many things that I'm loving this summer. Like I love the summer, by the way. I pick summer over winter any time. And I have so many things that I'm loving this summer. And this is one. This is hold on, let it focus. It's the Neutrogena mask. And right now I have, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. I have a situation here on my face.
What are you doing, Mommy?
What am I doing? Mommy wants to live her best life and be moisturized.
Okay.
Okay, let's get out of here. Anyway, so you guys know there's no shame in my game and this is how I come. Mommy, I ordered the food, it's coming soon. Alright guys, I'm definitely moisturized now. This pimple is still thriving on my face, but my face definitely feels a whole lot more hydrated. Yes, we're gonna give you food, baby. Are you excited? Okay, so I just picked up some food from my favorite, well, one of my favorite Dominican restaurants close by. So I got some rice, I got some chicken. Look at that. Tell me that does not look just so seasoned and good. I got some beans here and I got some jugo de chinola. And for those that didn't understand that, jugo de chinola means passion fruit juice. So I'm gonna put them here in the fridge. Hey guys, we are on our way to...
Fireworks!
What'd you say?
Fireworks!
Yes, we are on our way to this festival that they have in a city not too far from us. Where they have like food trucks and they have like certain activities for children. We went there, guys. If you guys remember, when I first started vlogging, that was one of our first vlogs, 4th of July. So if you go back on my channel, I was pregnant with Samarah at that time. I don't think I knew I was pregnant with, I don't remember. I have to go back to that vlog, but I'm pretty sure I wasn't sure whether or not I was pregnant with Samarah. Sorry, the light keeps coming in and out, but the sun. But yeah, I'm not sure if I knew, but I think, I don't know guys, I think I did. But anyway, so we're on our way. We're gonna meet up with Julie. She's already there, saving a spot for us. Anyway, I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we are here. We're gonna watch the fireworks, and I'll show you guys here. Hold on 1 second. So my dad is here. Papi, say hi.
Hi, hello, July 4th.
You said hello, July 4th?
July 4th.
Beautiful husband is here. Look how beautiful he is.
You have your bubbles. Play with your bubbles.
There is Mila. Say hi, Mila. There's Julie. Zoe. That's Julie's brother, Habib. Those are Julie's parents. Right there. Samara, you ready for the fireworks? Hey. Guys, Mila literally ate her ice cream. And look where she's at, trying to eat my ice cream. This is my ice cream. This is mine. You excited, Samara?
Go fight.
3, 2, 1. Good morning, happy Saturday. So it is, let me show you, it is 11:13 a.m. And I'm so tired. Last night we went to the fair. I didn't vlog anything because it would just be too much. Like, we didn't have the stroller with us, that's one. So the girls were walking and we were carrying them some of the time, so that would have been like too much to vlog. And then I have a bigger camera now, like it's not like the small camera that I have, so I couldn't vlog at the fair. So yeah, sorry about that. But so this morning we're gonna clean a little bit. Yesterday I got my fill for my lashes. Hold on, let me show you guys. Let me zoom into this face. Okay. There you go, I got my fill yesterday. And today we are going to
Chris's house.
Yeah, we're going to Chris's house today. For what? Why are we gonna go to Chris's house?
Because we're going to barbecue.
Whoa! Samara literally has the best memory. Best memory ever. Like, I tell her something one time and she just like repeats it. Like, she has the best memory. You're so cool. You wanna tell them what you did yesterday?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I see the dinosaur.
You saw the dinosaur? At where? Where'd you go?
I went to the dinosaur show.
Uh-huh. And then, but where did you go? What is that called? The
T-Rex.
Oh, it was T-Rex, but not the dinosaur, babe. Where were you? You were at the
Ferris wheel.
You did go to the Ferris wheel.
And then I spot the moon.
You spot the moon?
Yes.
Wow. So anyway, so today we're going to Chris's house for a barbecue. For a barbecue, and we excited.
House.
Mila is playing with her toys.
House.
Mila, you want to come say hi, babe?
Come here, Mila. Come here. Can you sit in my lap? Mila, sit in my lap.
She doesn't want to say hi.
I'll be playing my toys.
You're playing with your toys, and what did you do yesterday? You saw the dinosaur?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
Bunny Yeah, from my lunch.
You're silly, Mila.
Peekaboo.
Alright guys, so I will see you later. Bye! So it has been a while since you guys have seen my friends, and they're like in different stages of their life. Come here, mama. They're in different stages of their life. And I want to show you them because they like, some of them have kids now. Samara, get out of the grass, please, mommy, because I said it was wet and you're not listening to mommy. It just rained and the grass is so wet. But anyway, let me show you guys. You're not listening to mom. Come on. So here we have July. So you guys know Zoe. I said that our friends are in different stages of their life.
Newborns versus toddlers.
Zoe's not here, so you guys can't see her, but she's super big. So wait till you guys see her in the next vlog. And here we have, hello, get together. Over here. With your fiance. Okay, so they are engaged now. And they have a whole baby, a whole human being. A whole human being. This is baby Matthew. Hi. Hi.
Wait, don't drop that. Please don't drop that. Please don't drop that. Please don't drop that.
What happened? You're walking around where? Oh, you're walking down the runway? And she also has a whole baby as well. A whole baby. A whole baby she had. Look at this baby Ian. Oh, you're so cute. Let me zoom into that face. Oh, look at that face. Alright, here we have Dom. Hi guys. And you already know what's going on in his life. You guys already know. And then here we have, here is the one and only Lee.
Hi YouTube.
Lee Bar. Lee Bar. Just give him his government name.
I haven't been on that channel in a while.
You haven't been. I've been updating. We have whole babies going on here and like stuff.
Guys. I'm sorry. I'll be back.
You'll be back.
I'll be trying to feature myself more often.
Mila, no chips right now. You asked for too much stuff. What a time. Sorry. So there you guys have it. Okay, come sit on my lap. Let's talk to them. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is the update on my friends. The updates. So you guys saw there's like whole babies going on. You guys already know the updates on me. We're just living our best life. And as you guys see, we're having that's Julie's loud self. But yeah, so we're just hanging out with the friends. Hi guys, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. So we're back in the car. I feel like I've been in the car for 80% of this vlog. Oh, go ahead. Where are we going?
Going to church.
We're going to church. So as you guys saw, yesterday we were at Chris's house for a barbecue. And we had fun. It's always fun hanging out with our friends. So it was so funny because I was talking to, I think it was Giselle. I was like, you know what, Jizzy? Dom just side-eyed this driver. Anyway, so I was like, you know what, Jizzy? It's so funny how your barbecues have changed over the year. Like, you know, in the beginning years, it was just us hanging out, you know, channel, having a good time, and there's so much more children in her barbecues now. Like a lot more people have kids now. So it's so funny how the dynamic has changed. But nonetheless, we still have an amazing time, and we get to have an amazing time with our kids. So that was nice. We had a good time. See you guys after church. Here with my baby Mila. So I just woke up from the best nap ever. That's why I look a little like toe up, because my hair looks frizzy, but this lip though is still on, first of all. Okay, and this lip I ate Wendy's, and then I came home and then I knocked out, and it still has not budged. This is Kylie Jenner. This is one of the Kylie lipsticks, and I forgot the color, but if I find it, I'll link it down below. But anyway, so this is the end of the vlog. I'm sorry a lot of clips are of me like talking and not more like action and stuff going on and me walking and like stuff like that, but I tried, you guys, okay? And this is me trying to get back into the game, into the, whoa, do you guys see this one dimple right here? Anyway, get back into the game, back into vlogging life how I used to. So I'm so glad that I was able to put out this vlog, you know, because I know you guys have been asking for one, and I've also wanted to put one up. So here it is. And as promised, lost my train of thought. Okay, that's what I was gonna say. Hold on, let me zoom in. And as promised, guys, okay, I have some vlogs that I've been like saving because I was never able to get a full vlog out of them. So they've just been sitting in my camera. So if you want to keep watching, this is the end of this vlog, but if you want to keep watching, there's extra footage of all the things I recorded and never got to post. So you'll see Mother's Day footage, you'll see when we're on our way to a birthday party, you'll see a day at the beach with the girls. You'll also see a lot of miscellaneous things, to be honest. And I'm glad to finally share it with you guys and put it all in this vlog. Hold on, let me zoom back out because these frizzies are not it. So I'm happy to share that with you guys. So keep watching. It's right after this. I love you guys. I love you guys. So anyway, don't forget to thumbs up this video as it does help my channel. Don't forget to comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. I miss you guys. So I definitely want to hear from you guys. How have you been? Tell me, please. I miss you guys. I know it'll be so nice to see familiar names down in the comments down below. And I'm going to answer back to all of the comments by EOD, end of day. I'll answer back to all of the comments. So I would love to hear from you guys. And until next time, until the next vlog, I'm going to try to give you guys, if it's not another one this week, it'll be another one next Monday, okay? So stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And also I have so many more videos on this channel, so you can just go back and binge watch me. Anyway, I'm rambling, and I just wanted to say, as always, we love you, we adore you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Samara, what's today? Take off your binky, take off. What's today?
Happy Mother's Day!
Hey! Happy Mother's Day! Mila, what's today?
I think it's time and no time and no it's been lit and then
That's it. Today's Mother's Day.
The Mother's Day, don't say it, don't say it.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mila's not feeling well. She's feeling a little sick, right, Mommy? Yeah.
Welcome to the picture.
What pictures? So we woke up to no electricity this morning. Actually, that's what woke me up. The flickering of, you know, it being on and off, because it like went off and then it went back on and then it went off. So I just called our electricity supplier and they gave me an automated message that it already has been reported and it should be on before 11 a.m. Just perfect. Like, there's things I need to do, you know? But anyway, my house is a complete disaster. Literally, guys, I cleaned this house 2 days ago and it looks a hot mess. Last night, me and Dom went to a marriage conference and it was great. I love marriage conferences. You laugh so much and you are able to, you know, really self-reflect and see what things you can do better in your marriage. So that was such a fun night. And we laughed so much, like my cheeks, like I literally have the biggest smile where my cheeks rise up to like up to here, and my cheeks were killing me. But yeah, that's what I'm waking up to this Mother's Day, this little stinky sick. And then, oh, I hear Daddy's here, Daddy's here, Daddy's here, Daddy's here, Daddy's here.
Power out?
Yes, it is. That's what I was just telling them. I'm like, we have no electricity. Like 20 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago, it happened. Guys, like I told you, my house was a hot mess. Look at this. Toys everywhere.
Mom, it's for you.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Look how beautiful they are. Oh God, babe, these are really nice. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Thank you. What happened? Oh, it's if they work. This for me? You want to smell it? What do you think? Smells good? Yeah? Oh, look at that face. You like it? So yeah, you guys, Dom literally came. Oh wait, what, babe? You tried to turn on the light in the hallway? That's how you noticed? Yeah. I called already and they said that the power should be restored before 11 a.m. Just perfect. We'll be out before 11 a.m.
So the lights were out on the street.
Oh, on the street too? Here's Daddy Dunston. He doesn't feel well today. Look at that.
Mother's Day, mothers.
Look at that face. Leave my flowers alone, little rugrat. No, Mama, leave it there, okay? Mommy's gonna put it in a vase, okay? Yeah. What's wrong? You guys, look at what Samara and Mila just got me. Look, Samara.
Yeah.
What did you just get me, you and Mila?
We got
Show me.
strawberry, flowers, sauce, and bacon, cheese, and
What's that? Potatoes.
we got potato for Mommy.
Yay! Oh, look it. Oh, look it. See, we got some waffles. Samara described all the rest. And there's a rose. Okay, Samara and Mila are gonna give Mama. This way, careful, Samara. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Sorry for the shakiness. Dom is driving. We are actually going to his cousin's graduation party. He just graduated college. Wow, time does fly by. Because I remember when I first met Dominic, I went to his other cousin's college graduation, and this is his little brother, and he already graduated college. So time definitely flies by. Later on we have Lee's birthday party celebration, so it's a busy day, and tomorrow's Father's Day, so I decided, why not? Let me film. I miss you guys, and I know you guys always ask for more vlogs, so here it is, guys. We're looking for the venue. Anyway, guys, I'll see you when I get there. Hey guys, so we're here and it's the end of the party, and I literally didn't vlog at all. But look who's here. Hi guys. Hi. Look who's here. She's always so extra. And Lexi. Where's Lexi? Right here. Let me see if I look slim. There's Lexi. Do you look slim? Okay. Nice meeting you. Best friend. Do you think you look slim? I think I look slim. I definitely do. Guys, I've been doing comment down below. Do you think you look slim? Samarah, she has a new family. I gotta put pants on her. It's my boss. Hi guys, happy Friday. Happy Friday. As you can see, very different atmosphere. We are at the beach. The beach. I should have said it that way. I should have said it that way. We're at the beach. And I'm with Wilson. I don't know. Hi. There she is with my best friend Sin. There's July. Who's here? Sam? Hey girl, show me at the beach. There is Zoe, Lexi, and Mila and Titi Diamond are at the water because Mila is terrified of sand right now at this moment in time, and she's over it. And we just got here and she's over it. But yeah, we're having a day with family and friends, and it's super hot, guys. It's like 90 degrees right now. Sunny, and this is so nice. The first time I've been here. So we are in, what is it? Long Branch Beach, and they have a boardwalk which we'll go on later. We'll get ice cream and should be fun. But so excited I am so excited we took Friday off instead. Yeah, because we were gonna do Thursday, you guys. And then I was like, Friday we're gonna be super tired to go back to work, so let's just take Friday off, and it worked out, thank God, because the beach is like, so yeah. Samarah, what are you making?
I'm making
a what? A castle? Let me check it out. Let me check out your castle here. Ooh, wow.
It's on water.
Who taught you how to do that?
My people.
Samarah's arm is super dark. Look at her arm.
And we just got here.
And we just got here, yeah. And I bathed her with like sunblock. Making sure she's not burning anywhere. I literally put 2 types of sunblock on her. And look at Zoe living her best life. Zoe. Hey Zoe. What are you doing over there? Ignoring me? Cool.
Zoe.
What are you doing? Yo, I'm about to go into that water. That's how hot I am. That I'm like,
If you go, I go.
it's like so hot. Alright guys, so right now we are in the boardwalk. I literally got no footage at the beach because it was a chore. Chore is not the word I'm looking. Mission.
It was a job.
It was a mission.
It was a 9 to 5.
It was a 9 to 5 job.
Yeah, it was a 9 to 5.
Mila hates the beach, okay? Zoe was not feeling it after a certain time.
She got over it.
Yeah, she was over it, and
Was this Zoe's first time at the beach?
Samara didn't want to leave the water. So Sam didn't want to leave the water, and I was just... We were over the sand. That's what... I don't know. I was just over the sand. That's pretty much it. Right? Look.
Where are they parking? In the same place?
No, they were... No, right here.
Oh, now there was parking?
Yeah, it must have been because everybody's like leaving.
Small ones. Monday Thursday, I'm getting her these humongous ones for no reason.
Oh, coming when... Wait, last time you were here, you came here with her?
No, I'm just saying when I got ice cream.
Oh, just overall when you get ice cream for her. We're getting ice cream now. I got sand all over me. And these ice creams actually look good, but I think
Forever and ever.
I know. These ice creams really do look good. I'm gonna zoom into somebody else's ice cream. Not to them. Watch, hold on. Hold on, I'm trying. Look at that. The cones look good. So Mila. Oh guys, by the way, look at Diamond. She cut her hair. Wow, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. All the sides. The reason why she cut her hair was because she wants it to all grow evenly, because on the sides she had it. Okay, Samara's having technical Samara, what? Hey guys, I'm here with my baby Samara. She was at, where were you?
I'm Titi Shaylene's house.
She was at Titi Shaylene's house.
Hi! I'm playing.
You play? Oh, did you hear yourself? Did you hear yourself with that?
I'm a play with Castro.
First of all, girlfriend, you got chocolate all over your mouth. Look, show the chocolate you have all over.
I think it's chocolate.
Yeah.
No,
Let's zoom into Samara's face. Samara, what is the line that you always like to say? What do you like to say? Oh.
Oh yeah, baby.
I love you. Oh, my baby. You're so big. You're so big.
I love you.
I love you too. You know, everybody was just saying that you were just born and now you're so big.
I'm lipstick now.
Yeah. Ooh.
Chocolate mouth.
Chocolate mouth.
Can you be closer?
Yeah. Alright, so say as
always, we love you. We adore you. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.